Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Ewa A106 Pro mini speaker. So starting off with the unboxing, on the top here you have a picture of the speaker from the top. On the side you have a picture of the speaker in black from the side. On the other side there is the Ewa logo, and on the back you'll find the product name and model, the wireless range which is supposed to be of around 20 meters, the weight which is of around 165 grams, and this is actually pretty hefty, the output which is of 3 watts, but don't let that deter you away from the speaker because it actually has very good sound quality for the size that it is, and I will get into that later on in the video of course, and the battery which is of 700 mAh, which is plenty for the 3 watt speaker size that this has. And apart from that, as you can see on the bottom, you do have a few numbers if you want to call them, and also an email address if you want to contact them via email. So now opening up the box, you will find the speaker inside of a green case, and underneath you will find a little package with some other stuff inside. So first of all, when you take out the side compartment here, you will find the charging cable, which is micro USB, so there's no USB Type-C on this, but that is not really a big problem in my opinion. Then taking out this, you will find a little ring, and this is used to connect it to the case itself, to hook it up to a bag or something of that sort. And then you will find welcome guide. So as you can see right here, this is quite long, but you do not really need to read it since obviously this is a very self-explanatory speaker. You just connect it via Bluetooth and it's done. Just like that, and we will obviously go through the pairing process together. And here there is a small card that tells you that if you are not satisfied with the product, you can obviously contact them. So now getting onto the main thing inside of the box, of course, you have the case here, which as you can see there are holes on the top, so you can put the speaker inside, hook this up to your bag and not worry about it dropping and breaking the speaker. So obviously this is a very well designed case. The speaker fits in very snugly. As you can see, it does not move around, only the zipper here is moving around. And once you open up the zipper, inside you will find the speaker. And for the size, I have to say that this is very heavy, and I did not really expect it to be this heavy, but it really shows you the quality of the speaker, which is very good. And as you can see, even the build quality here, everything is made out of metal, which is very nice to see. Here on the top you have a really cool design for the grill as well, and on the bottom you'll find the subwoofer here, which is very tiny but nonetheless it is still very powerful, and here you have some rubber feet so it doesn't move around. Now of course on the speaker itself you have a little button here which if you hold it down it will power on and it will go straight into pairing mode, and there you can see that it is in pairing mode obviously because it's flashing. And to connect to it, all you need to do is go into pair a new device on your phone. And as you can see, it will pop right up, and obviously once connected and paired you will hear a little beep, and obviously the light will stay on consistently. Now something that I would recommend is that you leave the speaker inside of the pouch itself, because in my opinion it delivers better sound quality, and this is due to the fact that the bass actually moves around inside the case and then goes out of the ports on the top, and this in my opinion creates superior sound quality to it just standing alone on a surface. So obviously this is all up to personal preference, but I will have a sound test so you can decide for yourself. So as you can tell from the sound test, this does sound really good, and for the size and the price of this speaker, you really can't go wrong with buying one of these. And obviously this is a lot better than a phone speaker. Apart from that, the battery life is also pretty good, because you need to keep in mind that this is only a 3 watt speaker. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.